Welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. This is the show to be at if you want to find the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is Spectrum Controls. I'm here talking to Angela. So Angela, tell us about Spectrum.
Well, thanks, Teresa. As you know, we are Rockwell Automation's trusted partner for specialty I/O modules. For over 3 decades now, we've been rethinking and innovating I/O solutions, communication products, and large marquee displays for Rockwell Automation platforms. We are proud of our I/O success and the fact that we have solutions on virtually every major Rockwell platform. Through universal analog, analog with heart, channel-to-channel isolated I/O, and high-density I/O, we are dedicated to saving rack space and maximizing your existing solution. This year, we are introducing our new 5069 modules, and we're adding 3 new Micro 800 expansion modules to our I/O product lineup. And at the same time, we're also announcing our newly upgraded Universal Industrial Gateway with support for Modbus server and dual subnet. And we'll soon be releasing 2 5069 high-speed discrete input and output modules, complementing Rockwell's existing discrete I/O for syncing and sourcing respectively. Included with the fast input module is an input filter that helps improve noise immunity. Filtering helps prevent rapid changes of the input data due to contact bounce. The fast output module provides features like no load detection, short circuit protection, and field power loss detection. The 5069 Compact 5000 I/O system is cost-effective. It offers a wide variety of standard and safety modules while allowing more customization for applications that demand high performance and speed. It's ideal for OEMs with applications that require high-speed event tracking, pattern matching, and other needs that require precise action. Spectrum Controls has been approved for future development of 3 new Micro 800 expansion I/O modules. These new 2085s add to the growing success that we're having with our I/O offerings on the Micro 800 and 850 product lines. We're helping customers realize even more possibilities with our high-density and specialty Micro 800 I/O offerings. And for your complete peace of mind, we provide our customers with free Tech Connect support from Rockwell Automation with all of these products. And finally, we're proud to announce that our game-changing Universal Industrial Gateway is adding Modbus server and dual subnet support, all for the same great price. Coupled with a total of 12 protocols in one box, the functionality of this unique gateway continues to expand. The Universal Industrial Gateway is a single solution for connecting multiple devices simultaneously, each with a different protocol. So this is going to save you time, money, and the headache of configuring multiple gateway devices. So in closing, all of our product information can be found online at spectrumcontrols.com.
Thank you, Angela.
Thanks, Teresa.
So go to that website and learn more about these products and the other solutions that can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at Automation Fair. We'll talk again soon.